That there is the job site behind me. I just wanted to tell you guys that this job site I am on now does not want me to record. It doesn't want me to record the experience here. I tried recording the second week I was in just to figure out what I was doing. I didn't want to record the very first time I was getting on the job. My foreman told me I couldn't record anymore. You guys will see it in the video. My company said that it can be a liability. And that's really all they said. There's no policies that they brought up to me. There's no company standards. This one is a government housing. So it's prevailing wage. I don't know if that has anything to do with it. If you guys watched my previous videos, it's the same contractor that I'm still working for on the last site. It's the same general contractor that I'm working for or working under. So I don't see why anything would be any different. If anything, that last job site was a liability. But I still am going to be recording. So first, let's give you guys a tour of the job site. You guys will be able to see what the job site looks like from the outside, inside. So yeah, man, let's go. We got a bathroom group today. We got to get our center, dirty arm, vent up, connect, a washer box sitting right here. It's gonna pick that up, vent, and also connect and shoot through. Time to get busy. Oh yeah, perfect. Perfect.
I don't know if I want you having the GoPro. Yeah, I don't know about the GoPro. Huge liability.
They allowed it on the last site.
Make sure these riser clamps get put back. You missed my speech this morning. Clean work. We just talked to a few people before I say you can film, right? I'm just in my head about it. What were you doing at Avalon? People know about it?
Oh yeah.
Just kill it for now, but let me think it over, man. It's unusual. I've never had it before.
How was our day today, family?
It was good.
How was our day, family? You ready, family? Let's get the fuck up out of here, fam. All right, Nisha! Pick up on 4, going down. How was our day, family?
It was amazing.
Avanisha, how was yours?
Terrible.
right, we did our washer box and our Studer vent. This is gonna be our lav drain. And there you have it. This is gonna be our washer box. They're hot and cold. This is gonna be the drain. And this is the vent. It doesn't go all the way up the stack because there's a deck up there. And then this on the other side of the room. This is gonna be your toilet. And then this is gonna be your sink area. You can kind of see they already got it lined out where the cabinet's gonna be, so there you have it, folks. So right now on the job, I am awaiting word if I'm getting moved to job sites or not, because one of the foremen complained he doesn't like the way I talk to him. He said I wasn't shit, and so I told him I thought I was a better plumber than him. He didn't like that. Today, I have gotten kicked off of my job site. I'm getting moved to another job site in the same company. I don't know if it's a write-up or not. They didn't write me up because you usually have to sign those or whatever. So anyway, I'll tell you guys why I got kicked off in a moment, but I do want you guys to know that I followed up with human resources and they haven't gotten back to me. It's been an hour. I have no write-ups previously. I'm not late. I follow all directions given to me. I'm in the parameters of how I am supposed to operate within the company. This is a prevailing wage job site and there is a lot of money to be made here, but if you're not learning anything, guys, the money's not worth it. Go find somebody that can teach you something. So I'm not too down about it. So anyway, what happened was, and I go, hey, bud, do you know where some other 6 ladders are? He goes, whenever I see one, you know, that's when I find it. Get it and bring it up to me, bro. I'm busy. Much appreciated. And he goes, well, what have you done today? Done with my unit, and I started later than everybody else. No problems, craftsmanship. You guys seen it. And he goes, you know, you always got a smart remark. But things started getting hot with him because I told him I wasn't brought up sensitive. I apologize. Dad definitely did it for him. I'm not sensitive either. He goes, I'll send you home and kick you off this site today. Man, this guy's a loose cannon. Messing with my money. I just didn't say anything to him. Today, we're fixing stuff on 3. Fixing shit how it's supposed to be. Come on, man. He goes, I want to lay out these shower valves for you. You send those to bro, he can lay those out. Just like you send me the prints and to lay out. You can't lay out nail plates the rest of this job site. You're not shit. And so, you know, I had to say something. I ain't gonna just let him talk to me like that. I'm probably a better plumber than you, bro. What did you say? I'm probably a better plumber than you, bro. He told me to get my shit and get off the site. I made all the phone calls to superintendent. I reached out to human resources. So far, nobody could tell me any policy that I broke. I don't know. It is what it is.